Kinfolk, before we get this video started, on Wednesday when I posted part 1 of this video, I got a message from iRockerC that Monday, a week ago, David and Pepper, who are also in this video and did this ride with us, were in a motorcycle accident and ended up passing away. I was very saddened by this news. I just met David and Pepper, but I was hit very hard from it, from the news. Great guy. It was an honor to get to meet him and ride with him. My condolences to his family. If any of his family watching this, our thoughts and prayers are out to you. And like I said, it was an honor to meet him and to get to ride with him and Pepper. So Kinfolk, just please send prayers out to his family, and I will be attending the funeral, to give my condolences to his family. So part 1 and part 2 of this ride is dedicated to David and Pepper.
Just one more song, a little something to remind you when I'm gone, when I'm gone. Yeah.
Let's go.
Knowledge. Nigga. Yeah, let's do it.
Are you insane like me? Been in pain like me? Bought $100 bottle of champagne like me? Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me? Would you use your water bill to dry the stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Will you tear yourself apart to entertain like me?
Yeah, loud.
People whisper about you on the train like me. Waste your pretty face like me.
I've been living with the demons that I got on my soul. I've been thinking about the pain that I got on my mind. My conscience on his ears from the things that I did. I've been praying for forgiveness in the way that I live. You can find me in the zone, I swear to God I is. Ain't nobody breathing currently the words like this. I'm a different type of nigga, never worry about the funds. I was focused on progression, bitch, you gotta get it done. Instead of trying to bring it in, but then again, nobody wants a nigga. Pressure was mine and I had to find a way around it. I ran a couple of miles, couldn't find myself. Don't get fucked up, cause it always helps. I'ma drown in my sorrows all by myself. On a quiet night, if I'm staring at the wall with the sound of thought, I feel like I've been there before. My nigga, tell me what you really know, my nigga. I'm a saying like a motherfucker, trying to find a way to one ticket. They taking plenty of time to author ridiculous text. I've been giving you real even though I'm riddled with stress. So 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4. I cry for help but nobody responding. My emotions gone, yeah, they all have been loaned. My self-esteem left in my confidence squandered. Got all of this pain that I did with alone. Loud.
Knowledge. $100 bottle of champagne like me? Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me? Would you use your water bill to dry the stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Do you tear yourself apart to entertain like me? Do the people whisper about you on the train like me? Saying that you shouldn't waste your face like me?
Never kidding myself for a dream, I don't even believe it. It's really entertaining when you give it your all. I put my soul up on the table, all they do is analyze it. I'm a secret in the rock.
Alright, Kinfolk, man. Hey, I really want to say, we really want to thank Mr. Ken at Harborside Cycle Supply, man, for his hospitality. Man, he's got a killer shop in there. If y'all are ever on this side of town, man, make sure y'all come and check him out. And he's got some good stuff in there. So, again, Mr. Ken, appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Now we're going to go catch something to eat, man. And then that'll be the end of the ride. So let's go. We're gonna head over to the spot, grab some grub. right, kinfolk, so that was gonna be an hour wait, so we're not doing that. We're gonna head on somewhere else and see if we can find another spot to eat. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, we stopped at the brick house.
Alright, kinfolk, man, we finally got our food, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and shut it out here. I'm gonna say a big thanks to Connor for and everybody. Appreciate y'all coming out, man, and making this ride. And Harborside Cycle Supply, appreciate y'all, man, very much. So until next time, kinfolk, appreciate y'all coming. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.
So this is it, I say goodbye to this chapter of my ever-changing life. And there's mistakes, the path is long, and I'm sure I'll answer for them when I'm gone. So when the day comes and the sun won't touch my face,